How to fix the directory is not empty error 0x80070091 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. The chkdsk utility scans and fixes errors on the hard drive, which can include corrupted files that may be causing the 0x80070091 error. This is an inbuilt tool in Windows that works by identifying and automatically repairing file system errors and bad sectors. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If you receive an error, type in Y, close down command prompt and restart your system. Wait until the scan is finished. You can find the results in the event viewer. If that didn't work, Windows Explorer is the application you use to navigate files and folders. Restarting it can help resolve issues with file and folder manipulations, such as deleting a folder. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Sometimes, remnants of deleted files can conflict with the folder you are trying to delete. Emptying the recycle bin can resolve such conflicts.